Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Dser Robogeek vacuum. Dser sent this to me for free, but as always I like to do real world tests and not show favoritism on my part. Thank you Dser for sending this over, and let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Alright, so as you can see, it got a little damaged in shipping, but that's okay. We got the Robogeek 21T. Has 4 clean features, ultra low noise, smart charging, boost gen technology. So it's good to get this out of the box. Alright, so here's the box, the Dser Robogeek 21T. Here's the side. This shows the Dser logo name. Same with the other side. And then this side, just more of the robot vacuum itself. So as you can see, it got a little damaged, maybe a little wet or something in shipping, but that's okay. The box itself isn't important. Let's look at the actual robot vacuum itself. Alright, so one thing off the bat, I really do like their packaging and their logo here. So I'm going to set that to the side. A little quick start guide, notes before cleaning. Just kind of stating, make sure your house is clicked up. Here's our user manual. A little protective covering. We'll start with the accessories and other things like that first. Alright, so here we got the power adapter. They include a remote as well. So we got auto, home, play, pause, directional buttons. Looks like schedule cleaning, spot clean, home, max power. Just some different things. We'll go over that a little bit later. Let's set this aside for just a minute. We have a nice little cleaning brush, it looks like. Some boundary strips, magnetic boundary strips. They include 2 rolls. That's really nice. Not very often do you see robot manufacturers including 2 rolls of boundary strips, which is very nice. Looks like we got 2 spare side brushes. If I can get them out here. So we got 4 total, and 2 of them are replacements. Velcro strip or something like that for maybe the remote. We'll look at that a little bit later, or maybe the base itself. And then here's the base, so we'll take this out. Alright, so here's our charging base. Looks pretty standard. Looks like you can put those Velcro strips on the bottom there to kind of keep it from moving around on carpet. Looks like you can also wrap the cord, which is nice. And some batteries for the remote. So let's go ahead and move this box out of the way, and we'll show you everything that's included. Alright, so here's everything that comes with the robot itself. You have your boundary strips, your remote, your charger, your Velcro strips for the base, some 3M sticky backs for the base it looks like, extra filter, your power cord, 4 side brushes, and 2 batteries for your remote. And then next we have the robot itself, so we'll go ahead and get that out. As you can see, it looks very nice, very clean design. Nice little brush system there. Dual side brushes. Okay, so let's take a look more at the robot itself. Here's the dustbin. Here's the filter, it looks like. And then let's see if we can open our dustbin. It looks pretty similar to the Proscenic M7 dustbin, but It looks a little bit bigger than the other robot vacuums on the market. And then we have our on-off switch, so we'll go ahead and turn on the robot here. And there we go. It's powered up. Looks like it's waiting for Wi-Fi connection, so we'll go ahead and do that next. So the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and go to the Google Play Store or iOS Store. And we're going to want to download the Dser Life app. So we'll go ahead and install. Alright, so once you get the app installed, we'll go ahead and open it. And then it wants all these permissions. We'll go ahead and do that. And then it'll ask you to log in or register. I've already created an account, but in order to register, it's super easy. Just select your country and put your mobile number, and then your verification code and a password. Alright, so once you're logged in, you want to hit Add Equipment. And this is the Robogeek 21T. And then we'll just want to confirm the indicator is rapidly blinking, which it is here. So we'll go ahead OK. And then it'll ask you to enter in the Wi-Fi password. And then it'll start connecting to your home Wi-Fi. And we'll just wait for it to connect. And we'll make sure that everything is close together here. As you can see, that Wi-Fi indicator is not rapidly blinking anymore. It's slowly blinking, and looks like it finished connecting here. Alright, so here is the 21T. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. We got standby, we got home, auto, and remote control. So let's press remote control, and we can control auto mode, spot, edge cleaning, home, find me, and fan regulate. So let's see if this moves with our remote here. Perfect. So that's how easy it is to set up the Dser 21T Robogeek R3760. Next, I went ahead and configured the remote, got the batteries installed, and set the time. It's very easy to set the time. Just press the little clock down here, and you just use the arrow keys here to select the time. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys this, how fast this thing spins, which is kind of cool. You can't really do this with other robot vacuums. As you can see, it spins pretty fast. So I just kind of want to show you that real quick. Looks like we have the same controls as in the app. But a really nice remote. I'm very impressed with this remote. Very nice compared to some other remotes I've used. So what I'm going to have it do is I'm going to have it charge for a while, and then probably tomorrow I'm going to do a pickup challenge with it, and we'll see how well it does on hard floors and carpet. But other than that, I am very impressed with this little budget robot vacuum. Looks very clean, looks very professional. You couldn't really tell it's a low grade budget vacuum. So that's really nice. It has a very clean design. It feels really good. Here on the robot itself is we have clean button, power button, and then the recharge button, and then just your Wi-Fi connector. Alright, once again, here's everything that comes included with the robot vacuum. We have our dual boundary strips, our cleaning brush, 4 side brushes, some sticky backs, extra filter, and a remote. That'll do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.